That's me, Prakriti.
And that's me, Rithika.
And here are our parents. We are the
Eternal Voyagers.
We're from San Francisco, but we love to travel as a family, and together we have visited many countries.
We love exploring new places, experiencing unique cultures, and having fun as a family.
Join us, the Eternal Voyagers, on our adventures.
And please like and subscribe.
So it's 5 in the morning and we're driving from Cusco to Manu National Park. And last night we booked this all-inclusive trip with a touring company. And we are going to be driving to Manu. It's a full day trip with driving and boat. And really looking forward to it. You can also go into the Amazon with a flight to Puerto Maldonado. But we decided we're going to be driving there. And our tour company is doing that.
Early morning, and I'm super sleepy. This bridge is making lots of noises, but it's really pretty driving.
The drive from Cusco into the Manu National Biosphere Reserve is very beautiful, and you pass through different layers of the Amazon rainforest. You start at an elevation of 11,000 feet, but slowly make your way to the river basin, which is at less than 1,000 feet.
Welcome to the Amazon. We're going to the Amazon. There's hills like on them. We're going to see monkeys, snakes, and also birds. Parrots too. Crocodiles and snakes. And monkeys too. In the jungle we're gonna go. But you can see a lot of animals. Not something. But we can see animals in the night, not flying. Clouds in the boat. You can open the window and see what the clouds do. Also, it's amazing.
Body, can you come closer?
Come closer, body.
It's okay.
No, it's okay, go, it's coming.
Ow, ow,
It's okay.
ow, that hurts. It's sharp. we stopped at an animal shelter and we saw cappuccino monkeys, colorful birdies, and baby sloths. My sister tried to hold a sloth. So now we are stopping for a lunch break.
This drive is just so beautiful. It started out really cold, but now it's really hot as we get closer to the Amazon rainforest.
Now we are coming out of the tunnel and I'm super hungry. The best part about this trip is the guys are awesome. They make wonderful vegetarian food and the views were spectacular. We were on the side of the road overlooking the Amazons and having the most amazing meal.
So our 5-hour drive has come to an end. We reached our boat area where we're going to take a boat and we're going to go into the jungle where our lodge is. And it's super hot and humid here. We got a pineapple, so that's great. Looking forward to that.
And that's my husband talking in Spanish. And that's Rishika. We are going on an Amazon river. छोटी सी बोट है मैं आशीर्वाद लोग बैठे हुए हैं कैमरा दे दिया है डैडी ने ऋतिका को फोटो मारा है एंड कृति अक्का हाय अक्का
Hello.
Adios amigos. किती बार बायनोकुलर्स के लिए
Things called Harpy Lodge. No electricity, no phone service, and we have some candles and 3 flashlights that will burn our battery. And that's Mom, and that's Ritika, and then, yeah.
Hey, I want to talk!
they don't talk.
Yes, Ritika's turn.
No!
Okay, fine, Kritik, you continue.
And Ritika's mad, screaming at the bed, saying, I don't like you.
No. I'm not talking.
We spotted some birds who came here in a van, which is about 8-hour ride. Then, and then we had a boat. Then we
तुमने हक किया
I
था
want to talk something.
Say it
Oh
now.
yeah, and I
One,
have this lot.
Okay,
one,
let Ritika.
2, 3, go. That's it. 1, 2, 3. I'm going off the camera now. Say something. 1, 2, 3.
Last night when I was sleeping, I heard lots of birdies and buggies. Now we're in a boat and we're going to see lots of beautiful birdies. And my name is Ritika. And also, this is the ocean. We're in the jungle. Awesome fun.
So it's early morning and we're on the banks of the Rio Madre River in the Amazon rainforest, and right now we're witnessing a spectacle. Hundreds of parrots and macaws flock to these clay walls in order to lick the clay. They lick the clay because the clay is an antidote to all the toxic berries and nuts that they eat during the day.
Oh, big bunch.
रिवर क्रॉस करके जा रहे हैं। भयानक स्टोन्स हैं और मेरे शूज स्लिप कर रहे हैं, बूट्स। कृतिका के पास रेन बूट्स नहीं हैं। That's why she is walking in the Jordan.
Some come. This is
Vámonos.
Ya salió. ¿Le has sacado en el movimiento que se ha hecho así rápido? Ahí la sacaste.
this sound don't come from this one.
Esos son tipo
If you bang it, the sound comes.
pequeños.
Ven, perdón. Good job! Good job!
So we're walking down this trail, and that's Mom.
And it's really cool. These are the plants.
Keep walking.
Okay, and we're all walking, and it's really beautiful. Tons of
But
cool mushrooms.
slippery.
It's pretty cool. So this is called the walking palm tree. And this one is not really safe, but normally they have spines, and if you're chased by a puma and you don't have like anything, or jaguar, like no weapons, just go in there and they won't come after you. Oh, and that's some people, strangers.
We're not strangers.
Oh, see, there's another walking pond. And termite mounds, is there any? There might be a couple.
Stick polish.
कृतिका जो है ना फ्लाइंग निंजा हो गई है। मुंह खोल के सॉरी देखना।
Sorry, just
खर्राटे भर के सॉरी।
Yes, there's definitely यहाँ पर scarlet macaws की आवाज़ आ रही है.
You have one more in front. Uno más.
Is that the bird watching?
What?
Is that the bird watching hut?
No. That's for the watchman
Mommy,
or the rangers. You understand the
what a
rangers?
surprise.
There's a lagoon here. एक और वहाँ पे
Nice place, huh? Peaceful and quiet, no pollution, no people, no cars, no planes, no factories.
shoes are leaking.
किसके?
तुम्हारे shoes are
Please, let me help. Oh, yeah.
Indian.
Oh, yeah.
देखो दूसरा.
Arriba, arriba.
Chicken liyan.
That's arriba. Okay.
Daddy,
Wait. Daddy's taking the body. Ja.
silver out. So goody.
Almost night. हम लोग बर्ड वॉचिंग के लिए गए थे. डैडी रितिका को लेके जा रहा है.
Ah, flashlight. Vaya, vaya.
Taking a video. And that's Ritika, monkey and Akka monkey. Yo. सामने हमारे ओशन लेक दिख. Ritika. Capoeiras with giant guinea pigs from Amazon.
They're going.
अच्छा कैमरा को चेंज करो लेंस अपना.